There's nothing wrong with these mowers. Just learn how to take care of them, bro. It's like with anything else. Using that spark plug today, had to take the hood off. Here's the old one, here's the new one. I change these out about once every 2 seasons. I don't use this thing a lot, maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks, depending upon how fast my grass grows. And I do need to change the oil in it, so let's fire it up. Do not change the spark plug on a hot engine. You'll strip the threads. Now, how did I do that without me sitting on the mower? I disconnected the safety switch on the seat. I can even mow in reverse with this one because I disconnected the safety switch for that. Now let's change the oil. But what about the air filter? It's already new. I found the best way to get that drain cock out of there is to use a 1/2 inch extension and a pair of vice grips. And now it just spins off. It's gonna make a mess, but that's why this pan's down here. So it's gonna make a mess. Let that drain. I probably could have gone a little bit longer on the oil, but man, what the hell. Remember, oil is cheap, engines are not. Now, what oil am I gonna put back in it? Oh no, I wouldn't do that. No. Project Farm proved each and every one of you crazy knuckleheads wrong about this oil. It works perfectly fine. That's literally what just came out of it. So it takes 48 ounces, which is about 1.5 quarts. Before you ask, why not the oil filter? This model does not have an oil filter. One quart down, 1/2 quart to go. All right, now let's turn it over, see what happens. She's good to go.